Sounds of Christmas. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We are actually working with the company Seventh Heaven. Smell this.
Can I have one?
You want to wear some of it?
Yeah.
No. These are for me. But you know what you guys could do?
What?
You guys could ask Santa Claus for them. Because would those not fit so perfect in your stocking? I think I'm going to ask for some too because I will go through these so quickly.
I was putting on her Seventh Heaven mask.
Yep. And it feels so good. This is a peel-off mask. I love the peel-off masks so much. Probably the peel-off masks are my first favorite because they deep cleanse your pores so well. Okay guys, so my mask is off. My skin is moisturized. It is ready for makeup. I do use it on my own before we started working with Seventh Heaven, so I have to give it a big thumbs up. If you want to get one of your own Seventh Heaven face mask, remember they are under $2. They are the perfect stocking stuffers for the holiday season. The girls are both asking for them. You can pick them up at Walmart, Ulta, H-E-B, Kroger, Bed Bath & Beyond, Publix, and Claire's. If you want to know more about the company and more about the products that they have, you can click on the link below. It'll take you directly to the Seventh Heaven website.
I'm very excited. Daddy and Hayden are on their way from getting the tree.
So what are we doing?
Going to get the tree.
Going to get the Christmas tree. We're off on a voyage. Think we'll find us a good one this year?
Probably, we normally do.
Yeah, we almost always do, don't we? Find us a good one. There's some nice ones.
Looks good if we can't find another one.
Okay. That's the one I was looking at too.
So we put this side back to the wall and then this side. A lot of these are dead.
Huh?
A lot of them have like a lot of dead bodies.
It don't have a lot of dead inside.
I can't really see.
How's the trunk look? Is it pretty straight at the bottom? Good job.
Thanks.
Clothes on, you could actually go outside and look at it.
No, I won't.
For some reason you decided it's summer and you're wearing shorts.
I know, I'm gonna try to change.
I don't see a tree.
Hey, come here!
I can't find the tree stand. Oh wow. Very nice, guys. I love it. Looks great. Ooh. Looks real good.
Cool.
Here you go. Thank you for getting our tree.
Thank you.
Time to bring in the tree. He's ready to go.
He's not ready. He's not messing around.
No, he's not. He's like, come on, Dad. Gosh, guys, it looks so good. Alright, attempt number 2 to get it to fit in the house.
Yep, let's go.
Ceiling out a little. Scraped up this year, but that's alright. We got ourselves a good looking tree, guys.
Uh-huh.
Very good job, boys. While Will is getting the lights all out and tested, I'm gonna put up my nativity scene right here. I took down my sign that was hanging there and see all the where the candle is, like the soot from the candle stained the wall.
How many more strings do we have away?
We've got 2 on the couch, and there's about 3 over one over there. You know what we're doing, Tier?
putting the lights on the Christmas tree.
We're lighting the inside so that way the outside with the colors twinkle.
Yep. That's where we're at so far. The girls left us, so I thought I'd vlog ourselves.
Yeah.
The colored lights going up now. Not that you can see anything.
We do?
Huh?
I can see.
Well, you can. They can't. Just looks like a big shadow of a tree.
I love it. Do you like it, Daddy? Do you like it, Mommy?
I think so.
Is there enough on it?
I think it looks great. I think it looks really great. I just love that we put those white lights on the inside. It just makes everything so much brighter.
It's really sparkling right now.
I'm really, really excited. I hope you guys like our tree. It's so beautiful and sparkly. Wait till you see it decorated.
Oh, Tara's is already out, Daddy.
Yeah, I've always seen that. Thought there was a dead animal in there.
I did.
Oh, there's like a dead.
Well, I opened it up and that was later. And I thought, I thought it was like a mouse or something.
Daddy, can I?
Terrifying ornament from when I was a baby. That goes on the back of the tree, so we don't want to look at it.
You can put it back in the crate because it's yours. You know the snowman where I have the ballerina snowman who's doing ballet and he has the fire truck on? I love those ones. They're so cute. Snowmans. Yeah. Oh yeah, I know.
The fire truck first is a snow.
It was before you. What? Yeah, there's a snowman. Oh yeah, it's before you were born, kid.
Yeah, that was before she was born. Looks good though, guys.
This thing goes down too.
We still need to put on the angel too. This looks.
What almost fell.
I was say this looks like an accident waiting to happen.
This one almost fell.
Yeah, I should have done this first. This is scaring the crap out of me. All right, let's go. We're gonna go outside before bed and go look at our Christmas tree from the street. I wish you could see it. It looks so pretty. I'm gonna go up by the window and film it because you can't see it from out here. Makes it look like it's a mile away. So pretty. I love it. Good job, people.
Oh, I'm like shivering.
Oh, nice. Look at the tree. And we are off to bed. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry the vlogs have been few and far between. If you follow me on Twitter, you get all those updates. So find us on there. It's HTK Vlogs. And we will see you guys in the next vlog. We hope you are having a great Christmas season.
Yeah, I think I got the last part of it in my head.
All right, go for it.
Please like and subscribe so you don't miss a day of Vlogmas.
Bye.
So
So,
LPS is it's forklift gas.
did you know that? No. Did you know you've been asking Santa for forklift gas?